Ever wondered why your data analysis doesn't always turn out as expected? Or maybe you are frustrated with those errors and inconsistencies that pop up every single time. Don't worry, it's not just you. Many analysts face the same challenges. Today, we are tackling the most common mistakes in data analysis and how can you avoid them. So, are you ready to find out how to avoid them and pick up a data analysis superstar? Let's jump right in. First up, skipping data cleaning. I know data cleaning sounds boring and time-consuming, but skipping it can seriously hurt your analysis. Think of it like this. If you start cooking without cleaning your ingredients, the food would turn out well, right? The same goes for data. Ignoring missing values or not checking for outliers can lead to biased results. Instead of ignoring missing data, use techniques like mean substitution or regression imputation. Remember, data cleaning is an ongoing process, not a one-time job. Next, let's talk about assumptions. Every analysis is based on certain assumptions. Some obvious, others not so much. If you don't check these assumptions, your conclusions could be off. Always question the assumptions behind your analysis. Test them thoroughly and be transparent about any uncertainties. Data quality is crucial. If you ignore issues like missing values or inconsistencies, your results will be flawed. It's like trying to build a house on a shaky foundation. Make sure to address data quality issues right from the start. It'll save you a lot of trouble down the road. Using automated tools? That's like relying solely on a GPS without checking the map. Automated tools are great, but they are not perfect. Always do manual checks when it comes to automated tools, and review your results and validate your calculations to ensure everything is spot on. Finally, be aware of sample bias. If your data isn't representative of whole population, your analysis will be skewed. You need to make sure that the data sample accurately reflects the population you're studying. This way, your results will be much more reliable. So, how can you avoid these mistakes and ace your data analysis? Here are some pro tips. Focus on data quality from the beginning. Make sure you have a good system in place to collect and clean your data right away. Always check your assumptions. Test them carefully and be open about any doubts. Be careful with correlations. Don't assume one thing caused another without proper proof. Use manual checks too. Don't just rely on automated tools. Have a human check for any mistakes. Keep learning and improving. Data analysis is a continuous process. So, learn from your mistakes and keep getting better. Precision and attention to details are key in data analysis. And the good news? Learning Lab can help you build the skills. Our data science and data analytics courses will boost your knowledge and help you avoid these common mistakes. For more tips, check out our blog on the Data Analyst Survival Guide, how to avoid the most common mistakes in data analysis. Don't miss out our valuable insights to sharpen your data skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data tips and tricks. See you next time.